What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's YouTube video. Listen, on Tuesdays, I'm going to start a new series called Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. And so the premise of this is that every Tuesday I will bring you a new tip or a new trick or a combination of both in order to help you move your reselling business forward, to move your make money online business forward. So this is what I want to do. I want people to contribute their little hacks, their little tips and tricks, and things that I can share with others in order to help other people. Generally speaking, we're not all located in the same area, in the same location, and so that being the case, it is okay for us to share our tips and tricks on the YouTube here in order to help other people succeed. I know there are people that are cautious of this and wary of this. That's okay. Please do not feel obligated to participate. However, for those that want to participate, I am more than happy to share your Instagram handle, your YouTube, whatever you've got, if you have a tip or a trick that I can share out through my YouTube channel. So all you would need to do is just send me a DM on Instagram and say, hey, here's my tip or trick for Tips and Trick Tuesdays. And yeah, if I choose yours, then I will make a video about it for either the next Tuesday or a following, or if I get flooded with ideas and tips and tricks, then I will make videos for a long time on Tuesdays. With that being said, you will get a free shout out if and slash when I use your idea. Today, to kick it off, we're gonna do an EDC, so everyday carry, what I carry in my backpack every single day, no matter where I go, whether I'm at the store or I'm out on a family outing with my family, or if I'm at church, or if I'm at my daughter's school. I carry this backpack with me every single day, and I always have every single thing in there that I'm gonna show you today. The reason for that is I always wanna be ready. You never know when you're gonna need to go sourcing, when you need to hit that thrift shop. Look, be ready. This is my EDC video, my everyday carry. You can also call this What's in My Backpack. I'm about to show you. Everything I show you today will be linked down in the description below so that you can check it out on Amazon if you so choose. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, the first thing we have here is the Low Pro Truckee BP 250. This is traditionally a camera bag, but I love the way camera bags are set up because they have compartments and I'm able to put all of my junk in them. This is the smallest backpack that I know of that can fit my laptop computer in it. It is not a fancy laptop. Whenever I go over that, I'll explain. But it does fit a 16-inch laptop in here. It has this large compartment on top where you can pack stuff. And then in the bottom, it has another compartment where you can fit all kinds of stuff. And we're going to go over that in a second. This backpack is great because it's super comfortable. It's lightweight. Pack a ton of stuff in it, and it's very organized. You can always know where your stuff is. So that is that. The Low Pro Truckee BP 250. What's inside? The first thing is this Lenovo laptop. This is very cheap. This is something that I can carry around, not worry about if it gets stolen or broke. I mean, I care, but it's not the end of the world. These go for 220 bucks. I bought it when it was on sale for 200 at Best Buy. It is Windows 10 based. I'm not a huge fan of Windows, traditionally an Apple guy. However, anything to get the job done. I bought this about 6 months ago whenever I had to go on a trip up to Connecticut and I needed something to go on the road, and it was last minute and I didn't want to drop $1,000 on a new laptop. So I just grabbed this from Best Buy and it works great. I use it primarily for product research online, and then I handle my Google Sheets on this. So I keep my spreadsheets all up to date with that. I also have I have Google Sheets linked throughout all of my devices, but it's nice to be able to stop at a coffee shop, pop this thing out, do some work, get done, and get back on the road again. So that goes in the bag. You can see it's a full-size laptop and it goes right in perfect. Then the next thing that I have is this little bag here where I keep various accessories. This is a bag that I actually already had from whenever I had old camera bags. And so I just pop that right in there. Within this pocket, I have a simple battery pack to keep my phone charged because we're always scanning books or doing something with the phone, always have an extra battery pack. I also have this 6-foot charging cable. It's like 10 bucks at Walmart. I'm actually gonna pull a chair over here in order to put this on so we can see a little bit better. There we go. All right. So next we open this bottom compartment. And this is where it gets a little bit more fun. All right, the first thing that I'm gonna show you are notebooks, because notebooks, it's pretty plain and simple, but I carry notebooks everywhere. Various notebooks for various things to keep notes on. Notebooks. Always have some notebooks and pens handy. Next thing is this little organizer right here where I can keep various things. Highlighters, charging cables, Scotty peeler, headache medicine, because you never know. Various things. I think this was $5 at Walmart. It's discontinued, but I'll find something comparable and link it down below. The next thing that I have is this. It's a fanny pack, but I call it a shoulder bag. And I keep this in here with my book scanning supplies. So that way, let's say I get to a thrift store and I don't want to take this whole bag inside. I can pop this open, grab this, and I know I'm set to go. It's got a battery pack in it right there. It's got charging cable with a block to charge it from the wall if I need to. Open here, we've got our EOYO 1D. Open this side, we've got the armband with the 360 swivel phone holder. Boom, boom. We got a Scotty peeler. And then in this pocket as well, we've got another EOYO 1D and extra battery. That's what's in my book scanning bag. That keeps me covered at all times. I can throw this right on. I can put my phone and my tripod and whatever else in here carried around. I can actually fit my notebook in this bag, just throw it over my shoulder, and I'm good to go. When I'm done, get back to the car. Scanning's done. Just pop this sucker open, toss it in there, done. This goes everywhere with me. Super handy bag. Oh, on this side pocket here, we've got a little bit of smell good right there. Boom. Must always smell fresh. All right, guys, the last few things we have here in the bag, right here in this front pocket, we've got, these are kind of new. These are some ear pods, not Apple, but they're pretty decent. I think 30 bucks. They hold a good charge. They are the brand ONN. They're good. They lack low end, so a little bit trebly. For $30, not bad. They sync up to the phone, Bluetooth, super well. Not a lot to say about them. They're good. I use these next. I use these little cable ties for just about everything. Any kind of cable, any kind of charger. I have these little like rubber ones that are great. I have these Velcro ones that are super annoying, but hold really well whenever you're talking about cables and tying things. So that's that. And then I have yet another EOYO. I think this is the 1D/2D. It does both. The cool thing about this is it's only one button. It can be a little bit finicky at times, but it scans the 2D as well. And here's what's cool is whenever you do this, it's got a light, so you can be in a dark place, and when you click this, it turns the light on and it scans. So I'm actually going to darken this exposure just a touch so that we can see what it's like. Yeah, you see that? So it scans the 2D, which is like a QR code, and then it also scans 1D, which is a traditional barcode. That's pretty good. It's a little bit more expensive than the EOYO 1D. I think this is $55. I would caution against this simply for the fact that sometimes, depending on like the barcode, it has to be a super clean 1D barcode in order for this to grab that. So I use this as a backup. It's good, but I don't recommend it if it's going to be your only scanner. Pretty decent though. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the super simple tip of the day, is always have something that you can carry that has your book scanning stuff in there. This is the everyday carry of an Amazon bookseller. So that's my everyday carry. This is what you would find on me every single day. I carry everything I need to run a business out of a backpack. Guys, I highly recommend you put your business in your backpack. Get a bag, buy this bag, I recommend it. Put all your stuff together, carry it everywhere you go. You're ready to do business at the drop of a hat, no matter where you are. Never be caught off guard. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it and it provided value to you, be sure to hit that thumbs up, give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next video.